Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's right now, it's Money Monye. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and go ahead and drop me a comment if you got something that you want me to talk about. Pretty much, I'm just fresh out of prison. Like everybody know, today is day like number 17. Went to the DMV today, used a voucher, had to get my ID. So I got that in the making, good looking on that. Had to take my driver's license test because, you know, my license don't expire, but my license is all good. Just had to redo the test, and so that's $39. You pay $39, you got 3 times to pass it. So, you know, I'm confident. I'm thinking, hey, I need to go ahead and pass this test right now. Why wait to come back tomorrow, another day, when we can handle this right now? So never put off tomorrow what you can do today. Take the test, and I failed 3 times, man, and so I got to go back and try to take that test. But, you know, today was ultimately a productive day. Later on toward the end of the day, maybe around 5 o'clock, finally found somebody to start typing up my manuscript. Not that I need somebody to type it, because I was typing it myself in prison. But anyway, let me go and show y'all this. Hopefully you can get a good look at that. That's banging. The making of an OG, the making of a YG. Excuse me. So the book by my big homie, one of my G homies, Jonas Royster. And you need to go get the book. It's a good book. I got the autograph copy. He done plugged me with it. Shouting to him out, been a plug for him, saying thank you on this one, man. It's just, you know, it's a struggle when you get out, but it's also a blessing, you know. The little things, man, the little things. I try to stay grateful, man. Try to stay grateful.